Border. This is our opening ceremony for this year's festival. Mae'r prosiect yma, prosiect darganfod straeon yw hi, Discovering Stories. Ni'n gweithio gyda 4 ysgol lleol yn ardal Llandeilo, yn ardal Dynefwr, lle fydd yr oel yn digwydd flwyddyn yma. Syniad yw y bydd plant yr ysgolion yn cael plymio i fewn i hanes a chwedloniaeth yr ardal, a wedyn byddwn nhw'n gweithio gyda tîm artistiaid gwahanol, a wedyn ar ôl clywed yr holl straeon yma, maen nhw'n mynd i greu ymatebion i'r straeon ar ffurf rhyw fath o berfformiad. Bydd wedyn yn cael ei perfformio fel rhan o seremoni agoriadol yr oel flwyddyn hon. Felly maen nhw'n chwarae rhan rili pwysig a mae hwn yn special achos o'n i eisiau'r gymuned fod yn rhan o'r oel o'r diwrnod gyntaf.
We are working with Bro Dynefwr on the story of Arthur sleeping in the cave, and we have been developing a piece to tell this story with music. The students are playing harp and fiddle and drum, and they're singing, they're composing their own tunes, and they're devising their own piece, a unique telling and reimagining of this ancient story.
Mae cerddoriaeth yn gyd yn dod o'r y plant yma sy'n cymryd rhan. Mae sgiliau cerddorol gyda nhw beth bynnag. Mae Jonah yn chwarae piano, but now the harp as well. And oedd angen arna ni am cerddoriaeth am y rhyfelwyr. Ac yn syth, wedodd Jonah, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. A nath nhw ffindio geiriau, so ni gyd yn canu fe, a wedodd Jonah, I think we need harmony parts. Do you remember you said we could do it in 2? So we've got a harmony on there as well. This has all come from them. Dyna beth sy'n mor cyffrous. Felly, piaw! Sleeping warriors frozen in time.
It's making me more confident around other people because they're doing it as well and I'm getting used to it.
I just like having fun and like being able to express like my writing and stuff because I don't usually get a chance to do that.
Beth I fi wedi bod yn neud yw rhoi sylfaen iddyn nhw mewn narratif a chwedleia, felly maen nhw'n gallu gweithio o fewn y cysyniad yna mwyn crefftio sioe agoriadol am gwyl chwedleia Beyond the Border.
Mae storis yn bwysig oherwydd pam fi'n teimlo bach yn drist weithiau. Fi'n gwrando i storion a mae wastad yn neud fi teimlo'n mwy hapus bydda. A wedyn maen nhw mor hwyl i gwrando achos fel mae Ceri, mae yn fel actio nhw mas a neud y voices bydda. Mae'n really cool.
Mae storion di bod gyda ni am blynyddoedd a mae'n rhywbeth sy'n gwneud Cymru yn Cymru.
Mae'r castell Dynefol a'r plasty yma, plasty Newton, mae'n twmlad hynafol yma, achos i ni yn sefyll ar feisydd hen brenhiniaeth deheubarth, felly mae hanes a rhannau heleth o niwylliant ni fel Cymru yn y tir yma.
I can't believe what we've done in a day. We've just made up a song.
Yn gymwys. Lot o hwyl ysbryd heddiw, achos maen nhw'n caru y cerddoriaeth, maen nhw'n caru gweithio gyda cath, a caru creu y can newydd, a caru creu drama newydd. A maen nhw'n cael cyfle actio a dychmygu y cymeriadau. A chwarae hefyd. A gyda gilydd, ni'n creu geiriau newydd am gasgliad o caneuon a drama. A ni'n mynd I gwynio fe gyda gilydd I creu.
Already. And Stacey taught them this beautiful traditional song about calling the cows home. Played it on a harp and the children have already learnt it and they're going about singing it. And then we've just started putting a tune to it, which is like absolutely gorgeous. 2 of the children sang a whole song. It's just so magic.
Weithiau pan ti'n gweithio gyda plant, wel dim weithiau bob tro. Dychymyg nhw yn anhygoel. Mae atebion I gyd gyda nhw. So bob tro os mi'n gweud, ydy unrhyw yn gwybod sut mae hwn yn mynd? Mae wastad at
Yeah.
Wastad.
Just there.
Fi wedi gwisgo lan fel Robin Ddu.
I'm dressed up as Lady Tregeed.
So basically we are at the Beyond Borders Festival with our school and we are doing some acting, some singing to open the festival. Hey ho ho,
That guy tried to kill me. That's just not cool. Not cool. I mean, no one listens to me, but that man should be arrested.
There are 4 schools. There's Llandela CP, which is my school. We've got Firework.
Robin walked up closer to the hole, and there he saw it. A skull.
Tyler Sand.
Give me 4!
Dim bod yn efo.
The torches flicker to life and illuminate King Arthur wearing his golden crown on an elevated bed surrounded by thousands of pieces of gold.
All taking part in this festival. It's really exciting, really.
Fi'n hoffi fel pan oedd nhw'n gweud y stori I ni.
I was involved in the Discovering Stories project right at the beginning. And our first sessions, actually, with both schools, we came up here. And then I went into the school to work with them, and they took on the story and began to develop their own telling of it.
I've enjoyed, kind of acting because I'm a storyteller. We have to basically explain it in our voice what's really happening.
Dwi yn Westmes wedi gweithio gyda Ysgol Taylor Sant a dwi wedi gweithio gyda nhw I fod yn creadigol. So I've been the creative person on it and I've been helping them develop the story into something a bit more performative. And it's all been their ideas that I've just then strengthened and grown.
Dwi'n teimlo'n gyffroes I perfformio yn y sioe.
I think it's a very exciting opportunity for all of Llandarig to get together, do some acting and singing.
Oh, it's an amazing experience. I'd love to do it again. Yeah. But yeah, it was really good. That's all I can say about it. It was a blast.
Yeah, it was very good.
It was amazing.